Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. This beautiful setting sun. Let's do an outfit of the day. And it's a little bit cold now, so I wear my dudun all the time. Now, let me see if I can put my tripod here and do an outfit of the day. Okay, let's see. I think the lighting is a little bit strange. Don't you think so? It's just I am under the shade, so it makes my face looks very, very dark. But anyway, I am not pretty, so this is good enough. I do need some light on my face, but I do not have. So let's see the outfit of the day. I have this new top because I was very cold when I was in Austria. So I bought it there and I found it very comfortable. A little bit asymmetric. That's it. Maybe I will change place. At least this is dark, but at least there is light in here. So golden color, brownish golden color, and brown color, and the skin a little bit brown color, and shoes golden brownish color. Go down a little bit. Oh no, this way, this way, this way. See, this way better. Yeah. A little bit up. Oh no, this is better. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. Bye. Asymmetric.